Thanks for looking at our videos. My name's Mike Anning down at Johnson RV in Fife, Washington. This is a 2016 Rainier travel trailer, 23-foot, single slide. It's got some pretty good storage pass-through all the way through here. Big awning, outside stereo speakers, little outside kitchen, hot and cold water, refrigerator, barbecue swings around the side so you're underneath the awning while you're cooking, domed roof, water will roll off a little bit easier there, spare tire in the back, outside shower, power jacks front and rear, 6-gallon gas electric hot water tank, single slide, other pass-through on this side here. Let's go inside and look at the inside. Hey, thanks for looking at the inside video of our 2016 Rainier travel trailer. This is your slide out. This makes into a bed configuration here. 2 side doors. You can flip the TV around on this guy here too also, when it has a walk around queen on it if you want to peek in there real quick. Decent sized cabinet storage. Dual kitchen sink, garbage cans underneath the countertop, all flush mounted. 24-inch oven, microwave, 6 cubic foot refrigerator. Separate freezer on the top. Lots of storage in the bathroom, big shower. If you have any questions on this vehicle, you can ask for Mike Anning at 253-583-4244 or stop down to the Johnson RV in Fife store. Thank you very much for looking at our videos.